It's potato harvest time. It's just the most fun you'll ever have. We've actually got a little potato berry. Apparently if you plant this, you'll get a variety of potato growing that's different to the one you planted. It's just like a random potato generator. By the way, you can't eat them, they're very toxic. Okay, let's go. Why do they never come up when I pull the plant? It's the world's smallest potato. Oh no. This is concerning. Another one, thank you. This is when the magic happened last time. I believe in you, potato gods. In the name of the chips, the roasts, the mash and the dauphinoise. Yeah! They're not big, they're nowhere near as big as my last ones, but they're potatoes all the same. I would kiss you, but that's gross. I see a good looking potato. It's okay, it's okay. There's tons of babies. Another baby. It's like a sandcastle already. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh, why is it so fun? This is absolutely nothing compared to my last crop. I blame the soil. Oh my god. Another one. It's not always about size. It's about what you can do with them.